Okay, so we set up our wiring. The wire going up to the motor, we've doubled up the wire so that we're creating 2 sets of yellows and 2 sets of green, and then our feed wires. We have our switch plate on so that we don't have to take it back apart and put it on later. So we're going to run our power wires coming from our power supply into the center terminals of the switch. These are female spade connectors if you get them at Home Depot or an auto parts store. Then you're going to run 1 green wire into one side of either end and a yellow wire next to it. And then you're going to switch them so the green goes to the opposite corner and the yellow goes opposite the yellow. If you get done and the unit doesn't work, you can always try switching the polarity on these switches, which could be backwards. There you have it.